I think you have asked another question that is related with youth unrest.
Yes, yes.
That youth is a age group. Okay, we can't say anybody as a youth.
Hmm.
So in India, there is we can consider that India is a youth country, because there are a lot of things that are maintained by youth. There are a lot of things that are managed by youth. There are a lot of things that decision are taken by the youths. Okay, so now what is youth unrest? Youth unrest is concentrating on the various kinds of situation or various kinds of phenomena that are related with our day-to-day life. Okay, something like that: education, health, infrastructure, business, uh, livelihoods, livelihood, jobs. All these things are related connected with youth unrest. When
Hmm.
all these process are not going with their own flow, that impacts on youth's life. Okay, something
Okay.
like that. There is a certain process of recruitment in our country, in our state, in our jilla, in our village. Okay,
Yes.
so there is certain kind of recruitment process, because people have to have a earning sources, so that they will earn and they can survive with their own community, because people have their own responsibilities. So that if the process of recruitment will break down, assume that us West Bengal is a state, and in West Bengal there is no recruitment for 2 years.
Hmm.
Means the whole youth are struggling to find their livelihood in between these 2 years.
Hmm.
So the impact mostly faced to the youth. And when youths are facing that kind of difficulties, youths are taking wrong decision. I'm started the conversation with the decision making of the country. Are you getting my
Hmm.
point?
Yes.
When all these phenomena, whether it is connected with job, whether it is connected with education, whether it is connected with health or any basic needs that are societal complementary things, if those process are not going in their own flow, it will hamper the mindset of youth, and they will take wrong decision, and it will make a big problem in a in a society. Like most of the people will think about some different kind of alternative livelihood that is not actually practically oriented. Something like that, the recruitment is totally off, and the whole youths are taking decision to buy a toto, and they will survive by toto.
Hmm.
Do you think this process will sustain?
No.
No.
Never.
So the
Never.
Never, because there will be huge numbers of Toto. There will be no passengers, or there will be no sufficient passengers to take Toto.
Yes.
And people are also depending on the earning from Toto, how they will spend money on traveling through Toto.
Yes.
Are you
Yes.
getting my point? So the societal structure will break out, and the rotatively the youths will taking wrong decision again. Whether they will started thieving, or whether they will started snatching, or whether they will taking any kind of bank robbery or anything. So this process, the function of the disaster made by the thing that is called youth unrest. Are you getting my point?
Okay. Yes.